Hi everyone, welcome back to my Tech Stack YouTube channel. So today we are going to explore another Node.js project that is generating QR code using Node.js. So as we all know, the QR codes have become an integral part of our daily lives, right? From scanning payment links to the accessing website, sharing information, and even managing the inventory, right? If you haven't tried this before programmatically, this is the one of the video which you can stick to it. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. If you have a specific topic, please put it in the comment box. Okay, so by end of this tutorial you will learn how to easily generate the QR codes in various formats like text, image, svg, and how to access via api, right? Please stick to this video till the end of the session. Okay, so before we start, let me just go ahead and create one project folder for us. So my projects. Okay, so I'm just going to create QR code generator. Okay, and I'm going to create another file called app.js. Okay, so before we start anything, right, we have to first install those QR module. Okay, so let me put this way. Okay, so let me install npm install QR code. This is the module which you have to use it. Okay, once you have installed this QR code module, right, let's get started with the coding. Okay, first you guys have to import the QR code module. So I'll do, okay, so we have the QR code module has been imported. So next we will have to do is we have to see for which text or URL to encode in the QR code, right? So we will have const text equal to https://example.com. Okay, now we will use QR code dot to string. You can see these are the options we have. We can put it in to file, to data URL, to files stream, to strings. So I'll show a couple of them how to use it. So let's first try with the string. Okay, so I'll just pass those text as an input, then I'll say type as it could be svg, it could be terminal, right? So I'll just give terminal, then I'll be catching if any errors, right? um, then I will get the QR code. Okay, so let me just reduce this a bit. Okay, so we have this function ready. So now if what we'll do, if there is an error, then we will say console dot error of error generating QR code. Okay, then we will return from here. Okay, otherwise we will just print it console.log of QR code. Basically this displays QR code. Okay, so let's try to run this and see. Okay, node, one sec. So I'll say node app.js. So you should be able to see the QR code being generated, right? This is the QR code which is generated. Let me clear and run it again once. Yeah, this is the QR code which it got generated. Okay, this is purely using the text. Okay, so the previous we have seen how to generate via text, right? This is purely as a what to say, a text. Okay, so now what we will do here is we will try to use via as a image like PNG. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'm just going to take this piece of code. Okay, so instead of to string, what I'm going to do is to file. Okay, then I will put file name here, qrcode.png. Okay, and the one which I'll be removing is I'll just pass the text. Okay, we will not have the output as a QR code because it will be pushed to the file, right? And then what we will do is we'll just put QR code created successfully. Okay, let's try to run this. For now, I'm going to comment this line. Let's run it. You can see it has generated the QR code, right? This is how via image you can put the generated QR code into the image. Okay. So now let's see how we can generate the QR code as a data URL. Okay, same way I'm just going to copy paste this. Okay, and here as an data URL. Okay, so here what I'll do is instead of to file, I'm going to put like data URL. Okay, and we will have the text. Okay, text, and we will have the URL data which is coming in as an output. Okay, and the rest all will be the same, and here we can print the URL. Okay, so major difference is just that you have to use this particular to data URL while generating the QR code. Okay, let's run it. You can see it has generated the data this, and you can put this as a base64 image in your HTML file or wherever you want to plug it. Okay, we saw how to create via as a PNG or data URL. Now let's see how to save as an SVG. Okay, so what we will do here is I'll just copy paste this again. Okay, what I'll do instead of to data, I'll just put to string. Okay, to string, and then I'll put text instead of so earlier we had put the terminal as a type, right? So what I'll do here is type colon SVG. Okay, and we will have SVG data coming in, and we will put use the SVG. Okay, so let us run it. So it has created the SVG here. This is just a second. This is for this has created the SVG file. Okay, let me just comment this previous code. Okay, so let's run it. Can see it has created the SVG. So if you just save this into an SVG and view it, right, you will be able to see the QR code. Okay. Now, next, if you want to expose this as an API, of course, it's nothing different, right? You will have to create the similar way. So what I can do is I'll just comment everything for now. And I'll be just creating a Express server, okay, via Express API. Okay, so I'm just not going to I have the code with me which I have created earlier, so I'm just Express code, I'm just copy pasting it, and I have created the endpoint this way. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll be using the qr code dot to data URL, and that data URL I'll be creating an image and I'll be passing as a respond. Okay, so if I just run this, I'm sorry, I didn't save this. Okay, QR code. What is it? Oh, it's twice, right? That's the reason. So now the server will start, and if I just go and hit the generate endpoint, it should give me the QR code. Okay, so my server started. So let me go ahead and hit the generate endpoint, and you can see that it has given the image HRC with the all details. Okay. Okay, so that's the end of our small project, which is on QR code generation with the help of QR code library. So from creating QR codes as a text for terminal output, or to save them to the images or the SVGs, or possibility for these APIs, right? We have learned all these options. So QR codes are very simple yet powerful way to share the information in today's digital world, and now you know exactly how to use that and how to generate it. If you like this session, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any specific topic, please put it in the comment box. Thank you.